Flora. 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 Flora the Explorer.
Let's go!
Flora the Explorer.
Hey y'all, I'm Flora. Do you like plants? Me too. I'm even named after plants. In Latin, flora means flower. My friends are trying to plant a native plant garden right here at the City of Conway Marina. Do you know what a native plant is? That's right. Native plants are plant species that grow and have adapted to live in a particular area, like here in the Waccamaw River Watershed. That's why we want to plant a native plant garden here in Conway. Do you want to help me learn about native plants? Great! Let's grow with the flow. We're going to need help from a lot of really smart experts on native plants to learn what we can put in our garden. We're going to have to travel throughout the Waccamaw River Watershed to find different habitats and learn about the plants that live there. First, we want to check out a riparian habitat to see what plants grow along the Waccamaw River. Next, we're going to Lewis Ocean Bay Heritage Preserve to see a pine savanna. Then we are going to the spooky swamp to see what plants live there. Hey, Trapper.
Hey, Flora.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Trapper, what makes this riparian habitat so special?
Well, it's special because only this kind of habitat where we can find really special plants, really special native plants that are really particular about where they grow.
So, Trapper, what happens to these plants when it floods here at the river?
They persist. I mean, if the water stays on them too long, you may not see them, this blooming season, late summer, early fall, but it has to flood, right, to provide the habitat for these species. So they are.
What kind of plants from the riparian habitat could my friends use in their native plant garden?
Well, you could certainly have river oats, which is a really pretty grass-like plant, and then you could have the Plymouth gentian, which is really, really showy, like a pink purple color, and you can get those through certain native plant nurseries.
Well, Trapper, thank you so much for telling me all about this amazing habitat and the plants that live here. I can't wait to see what my friends put in their garden.
Me either.
That's right. We're going to a pine savanna. Hey, Scott. Where are we?
Hey, Flora. We are in a pine savanna, one of the most diverse ecosystems in the Southeast.
Wow. What kind of plants live here?
Well, that's a good question. There's lots of plants, lots of plants. In a pine savanna, in this area we're in, if you look out here, you see trees and grass. You say, well, there's not many plants here. Yeah. But if we put in a 100-foot by 100-foot plot here, we could find 40 species of plants easy.
40?
40 different species.
What kind of plants might we find here? Anything really cool?
Oh, this is one of the hot spots for cool plants. You have plants like orchids, lilies, asters, but particularly it's a hot spot for carnivorous plants, plants that eat bugs.
Whoa, plants eat bugs?
Yeah, there's one that's world famous. It's called the Venus flytrap.
Okay, I have heard that Venus flytraps only grow in the Carolinas. Did you know that?
You're right. Venus flytraps occur in North Carolina, South Carolina, in about a 75-mile radius of Wilmington, North Carolina. And the reason they're so confined to this area is due to few special ingredients. One is a special kind of soil called a spota soil. And this soil is found in North Carolina and South Carolina in very few places. This soil is in areas where there's a little bit of water underneath, and that's crucial for carnivorous plants like Venus flytraps and sundews and pitcher plants, so that it never really dries out. These plants that grow here are here because of the special soils we talked about, but also because of fire. Fire is a very important process that occurs in the Southeast. Historically, it was caused by lightning strikes and indigenous people burning the woods on purpose to provide good grazing for large mammals that they preyed on, and the plants love it. So the key to lots of diversity here is lots of sunlight, frequent fire, and these special soils that we talk about. So,
Well, I guess I have to go tell my friends about all these amazing plants that you told me about. So hopefully they can put some of them in their garden that they're doing. So I guess I'm out of here.
that sounds good. Thanks for coming by.
Thanks.
Good luck with the rest of your journey.
Thank you. Where are we going next? That's right. We're going to a swamp. Hey, Tierney.
Hey, Flora!
Where are we, Tierney?
We are in a cypress swamp at Cox Ferry Lake Recreation Area.
Wow. What kind of plants live here?
All sorts of plants. There are trees, shrubs, grasses, even wildflowers grow in the swamp.
Wow. But, Tierney, I don't know. All I see is brown and green.
That's called plant blindness, Flora. People don't recognize lots of plants in their everyday lives.
Whoa. Did you guys know about plant blindness? Me either. That's really cool. How many plants do you see? Tierney, do you think that my friends could use some swamp plants in their native plant garden?
Absolutely. Lots of swamp plants can be adapted to wet environments or even drier environments.
Cool. Are there some plants that you would recommend?
A cypress tree can grow both in a wetland and in an upland.
Cool. I love cypress trees. Well, thank you for all your help, Tierney. I'm going to take all this great knowledge back to my friends so they can use it for their native plant garden. Hi, Maven Victoria. I can't wait to tell you all about my adventures and what I learned.
Hi, Flora. We can't wait to hear about your adventures. We hope you got some great knowledge about native plants.
Native plants are so important. We need to celebrate them.
We really do. But wait, where's Kara, the Waccamaw River Keeper?
I thought she'd be here. Oh well.
She will be here for our beautification day, where we're going to install a native plant garden and clean up around the marina.
That'll be excellent. What plants are you guys planning to plant? I hope that they're native plants.
Of course, Flora, it is a native plant garden, but like all gardens, it'll take time to grow and mature.
Yeah, once it's fully established, there'll be beautiful blooms throughout the year.
Wow, I can't wait to see it. I'm so excited for this native plant garden. It's going to be amazing. Are you excited to see the new native plant garden? Me too! Native plants are awesome! Let's grow with the flow!